All right, guys, we're going to talk about our end stops. We have a clamp style that would clamp on the bottom of the beam. And what that means is you would clamp this to the bottom side of the beam, and then these Allen set screws would screw down onto it. One nice thing is that this is adjustable, and you would use this you could use this on any part of the runway where it is not fed by festooning. Then we also have our web mounted. The web mounted you could use anywhere, but primary use it would be for the festoon fed end of the runway. The adjustment in this would be actually in these rubber bumpers. As you can see, these are slotted holes, and if your runway changes in width, you would just slide these out appropriately for the end truck to run into that. So, thank you.